If you love Indian street food but want something healthier, a little different, honestly, way more addictive, you need to try this one, Sweet Potato Vada Pav. This is my twist on the classic Mumbai Vada Pav, but softer, slightly sweet, spicy, crispy, and honestly unreal. Let's start. First, take one large sweet potato, boil it, and mash it really well in a bowl. Now add finely chopped onion, some fresh cilantro, and mix that together. Now we are going to take it to the next level. In a pan, heat little oil. I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Then add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add 3 to 4 curry leaves. Now add your sweet potato mixture into the pan. To this we are adding 1 teaspoon of a green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of a garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of a ginger paste. Mix it well. Now add a handful of green peas. Now for the spices, add 1 teaspoon of a red chili powder or paprika, 1 teaspoon of a turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder, half teaspoon of a garam masala powder, salt, and here's the twist, add little brown sugar. It balances everything and enhances the natural sweetness of the potato. Throw it a handful of a green peas like I said before. Mix everything really well. Now finish it off with a squeeze of a fresh lemon juice, sprinkle of chopped onion and cilantro. Next, we make the coating. In a bowl, add a half cup of chickpea flour, a pinch of salt, paprika, turmeric powder. Add a little water gradually. Make a smooth slurry, not too thick, not too runny. Now, shape it into a medium-sized balls. Try to keep them even so they cook perfectly. Now dip each potato balls into the batter, coat it evenly, and you have options here. You can deep fry, bake them or air fry them. I am air frying them. 12 minutes flipping halfway and they turn out crispy, golden and so good without all the extra oil and heaviness. Sprinkle little oil on top and bottom mixture before you bake them. I am using Ninja Crispy Air Fryer. Let's prepare the bread. Slice your bun and toast them into butter until golden and slightly crispy. Add cheese and now it comes the layering. Spread green chutney on one side, red garlic chutney on top. Add your crispy sweet potato patties right in the center. You can even press it slightly just like street style, and that's it. Your sweet potato vada pav is ready. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful inside, spicy, slightly sweet. Every bite hits differently. This is the comfort food but elevated. Perfect for tea time, quick meals, or honestly, this one is my favorite. If you try this, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your version, and trust me, once you make this, regular vada pav might feel a little basic.